In today's industrial landscape, machine safety isn't one size fits all. Every sector, from construction products to film-based packaging, faces unique operational challenges, legacy equipment risks, and compliance demands. At PowerSafe Automation, we specialize in engineering custom machine guarding systems tailored to each industry's hazards, workflows, and productivity expectations. With OSHA compliance and operator safety at the forefront, our turnkey solutions are built to mitigate risks without disrupting production. This guide explores how PowerSafe addresses machine safety needs in 7 targeted industries. In the construction products industry, factories handle high-volume material production where manual intervention is often required. Many machines date back to the pre-OSHA era and lack safety systems, making maintenance and troubleshooting risky. Common hazards include crush points, pinch points, hot surfaces, shear points, and stored energy hazards. Our guarding solutions include point-of-operation guards with polycarbonate panels for visibility, perimeter safety guarding with wire mesh fencing per safety distance standards, safety devices like light curtains, safety mats, and laser scanners, and control upgrades such as two-hand controls, emergency stops, and grip switches. The result is a safer work environment without compromising the throughput of materials like brick, stone, and structural components. In the metal forming industry, heavy-duty, high-force equipment dominates this sector. Operators work around powerful presses, sand mixers, and molten materials, where even brief distraction can lead to severe injury. Common hazards include wrap points, shear cut points, crush points, and trapped points. Our guarding solutions consist of custom perimeter fencing, polycarbonate point-of-operation guards, integrated legacy controls like pneumatic safety valves and emergency rope pulls, and presence detection with 3D radar sensors, light curtains, and safety scanners. The result is enhanced protection on dangerous machines like stamping presses and smelters, ensuring safety and uptime across shift operations. In the insulation building products industry, operators interact with spinning machinery, heated furnaces, and conveyors, often needing to bypass machines for troubleshooting, which introduces new safety risks. Common hazards include shear points, stored energy, chain drive entanglement, and hot surfaces. Our guarding solutions include powered transmission guards, two-hand anti-tie down controls, extended knobs for safe adjustments, and internal monitoring via cameras. The result is improved safety on outdated or complex machines like spinner decks and choppers, minimizing downtime while ensuring worker protection. In the wire and cable industry, machines run continuously to produce cable spools and wiring, often exposing workers to unguarded moving parts. Downtime for safety upgrades is limited. Common hazards include belt entanglement, tripping hazards, burn points, and wrap and pinch points. Our guarding solutions consist of machine-specific fencing and covers, cabler and spooler upgrades, encoders and limit switches, and cameras for non-intrusive safety checks. The result is zero-compromise guarding systems for high-speed processes and legacy extruders and winders. In the industrial motion industry, shaping, milling, and flame-hardening equipment operates at high speeds and involves multiple power types: mechanical, pneumatic, and hydraulic. Common hazards include crush points, chain entanglement, linear actuator exposure, and hydraulic pressure leaks. Our guarding solutions include shaft bearing and coupler guards, CNC spin windows for visibility, pneumatic and hydraulic cylinder shields, and safety encoders and extended reach tools. The result is modernized safety infrastructure for vintage machines like hobbers and broaches, reducing liability without slowing production. PowerSafe offers an industry-wide toolkit of safety devices and upgrade strategies designed to bring legacy machines up to today's OSHA and ANSI standards. Core technologies across all industries include point-of-operation and transmission guards, RFID and locking solenoid safety switches, safety mats, bump strips and light curtains, perimeter guarding, two-hand and grip switch controls, location sensors and drive upgrades, and internal monitoring cameras for hazard zones. The benefits of custom machine safety guarding include operator protection to prevent injuries and minimize OSHA citations, compliance assurance to meet modern regulatory standards, productivity retention designed to minimize disruption during upgrades, adaptability engineered for any legacy machine or complex production line, and partnership where PowerSafe works directly with your safety, maintenance, and operations teams. PowerSafe Automation delivers turnkey safety guarding solutions customized for each machine, process, and facility layout. From initial risk assessment through to installation and compliance validation, our team partners with your plant managers and EHS staff to deliver peace of mind and proven safety ROI.